Salve to Skippy Lee. Here's a video just to kind of show you how to use Google Drawings for your assignment. You can use a drawing straight, or you can insert it into a doc. I'm going to insert it into a doc here. So I'm just going to go over here and I'm going to hit drawing. I'm going to hit new. Okay, and it's going to have this here. Now you can insert a picture from this. You can like search or upload something from your computer if you want. Take a snapshot, search. I don't like the search because it doesn't always give me what I'm looking for. So it's easier to go someplace else. So I'm just going to close this and I'm going to go right here. And you can see the running cheetah, which I'm going to use. So I don't have to come back and look at this, I'm actually going to copy that image. And I'm going to go ahead back and I'm going to drop it into my drawing like that, copy and paste. And then I'm going to make it a little smaller because I'm not going to use it quite so big right there. But I really want to get the background. So I'm going to come over here and I'm going to do this. Now notice in the tools, I have set the color as transparent. Transparent is going to give it so that you don't see any kind of background. You really want that. So here I'm going to put in a racetrack clip art, and I want it here. So you can kind of see these here. So you can see racetrack, or actually I think what I did for mine one was road clip art. So I can try and find the one that I want. You can kind of look through and you see these different ones that are transparent. This is not quite the one I used. So let's see. I think, here it is. This is the one I used. So I click on that and I really like it. You can see the transparent background because of the gray right here. So I'm going to click on that. I'm going to copy the image and I'm going to go back to the draw and I'm going to stick that in. I'm going to paste that image and I'm going to make it bigger. I'm going to make it take up my whole picture. And of course, I'm going to click on it right. I'm going to go to the order and I'm going to send that to the back. So it's in the back of the picture. Then I can move my cheetah over here where I want him to run like that. And then you can go back to the next screen and you can search for the next thing. And so I think I put a running tortoise clip art. And that gave me those. And it's still in the transparent mode. Once you click that, you can do that. And I think I chose, and I didn't choose that little guy because he's going the wrong direction. There was a different one, maybe. He's going the wrong direction. He wasn't the one that I chose. He was going the wrong direction. But this guy is good. But he has a transparent background, so we can choose him. Copy the image and put him over here and just paste him and make him smaller and put him in where you want and how you want him on your image, and it looks like a real picture. I don't have a lot of time here, so I would put a hair in here, but I think you get the idea of what you want. So if you hit save and close, it'll create the doc, and then you have this here. And so you can see it looks like an actual doc here. I can edit it, I can make it smaller, and I can edit, go back in, and I can add the tortoise as I want to. So let's see if I can, I think I ended up having to go running rabbit because I couldn't quite find the pictures that I wanted. And you can kind of look in there, and so it'll give you that idea, and you can find which one you want, go in whichever direction that you want it to go. I think I had to look at a couple of them to get the one I want, but I'm just going to get any one that I want here that looks good. So this guy looks good, and he has a transparent background, so I'm just going to have copy the image, and I'm going to put it in the drawing. I'm going to paste him, and I'm going to make him smaller. And then you have your clip art, and it looks like they're all running together. Make him just a little bit smaller, I think. And put him that way. And save and close. He doesn't quite go the right direction, but you get the idea that they're running. And there you have the end of your picture. So hopefully that helps you create your pictures for your assignments. If you have any questions, please feel free to email me or comment to me. Walete.